Hello, food lovers. Today we're about to embark on a flavorful journey with one of the most beloved dishes in the world, special biryani. Whether you're making it for a festive occasion or just to treat yourself, this recipe will take your taste buds to a whole new level. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this special biryani. 1 kilogram of your choice of meat or vegetables. 2 cups of fragrant basmati rice. Fresh onions, tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. And of course, a blend of aromatic spices including cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and bay leaves. For the perfect marinade, we'll use yogurt, a little garam masala, and a squeeze of lemon. First, we're going to marinate our meat. In a bowl, add the yogurt, minced garlic, ginger, and a pinch of garam masala. Now we'll toss in the marinated meat and let it rest for at least an hour to soak in all those flavors. While the meat marinates, let's prep our rice. In a large pot of boiling water, add whole spices like bay leaves, cinnamon, and cardamom. This will infuse the rice with a subtle aromatic flavor. Once the water is boiling, add your basmati rice and cook it until it's about 70 to 80% done. Don't worry, we'll cook it fully later with the meat. Now let's get our meat cooking. In a pan, heat up some oil and sauté the onions until golden brown. This caramelized sweetness will add depth to our biryani. Once the onions are ready, add your marinated meat and cook until it's browned and fully coated in the spices. Now comes the fun part, layering the biryani. In a large pot, start by layering the cooked meat at the bottom. Then, add a layer of partially cooked rice. To elevate the flavor, top it with fried onions, fresh mint and coriander, and a drizzle of saffron-infused milk for that golden color and rich fragrance. Cover the pot tightly, seal the edges with dough, and let it steam on low heat for about 30 minutes. This is where the magic happens, and all the flavors come together. Look at that! The biryani is perfectly cooked with layers of flavor, fragrance, and color. Time to serve. Here's the final touch.
Serve it hot with a side of cool raita or a fresh salad to balance the spices. Delicious! That's how you make the perfect special biryani. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Happy cooking and see you next time. Satu.